Okay, now in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to log in to Google Hangouts through YouTube. Now, this is an alternative way to log in. We're actually going to show you both ways for you to get your Hangout started and to get people invited. So what we're going to do is start from the YouTube page, and you are going to go to your drop down arrow here on the right side. You're going to go to your video manager, and you're going to be inside of your YouTube account. Once you're inside of your YouTube account, you are going to go to the live events link inside of YouTube. So click that link. Now, if you haven't done anything inside of YouTube already, you're going to get this button that says enable live streaming. You're going to click that button. And then YouTube is going to tell you, just as it told me here, congratulations, you have now been enabled for live streaming inside of your YouTube account. Okay, then you're going to refresh your page, and then all of a sudden there, you're going to see that you can create a live event. You want to click that link. And then YouTube is going to give you what looks like basically that you're creating a video, right? And so what you're going to do there is you're going to put in your title just as you would otherwise. You're going to say, well, in this case, we're going to go ahead and put in how to reach your audience or how to teach your audience. Okay, and then we're going to say today and now. We're going to put a description in there. Okay, we've got a description. We're going to add in tags. Okay, now there is a logic to doing all this. I mean, we explained this in another video. What we're doing is we're just kind of logging in so you can see what you need to do in order to start inviting people. You're going to click agree, and then Google's going to give you a message. You're going to tell them that you got it. Now, what you're going to do now is you're going to click go live now. But before you do that, Google is going to give you two choices. They're going to ask you if you want to do a custom live event or if you want to do a quick live event using Google Plus Hangouts on Air. And of course, you are going to use Google Plus Hangouts on Air, and Google is going to then say, do you want to go live now? You're going to click the button that says go live now. And when you do that, Google is going to take you inside of Google Plus Hangouts. So you're basically entering the Google Plus Hangouts interface through YouTube. So you're going to, okay, so now I am now inside of my Google Plus or my Google Hangout dashboard. And in order to start inviting people, I'm going to do one of two things. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button. Now, when I invite people to the Hangout, understand that what I'm doing is I'm inviting people to be part of my panel. I'm inviting people to be one of those 10 people that are going to be with me on the actual Google Hangout. So if you're not inviting people to the conversation, or you're not inviting people to the actual to be part of the actual speaker team, then this is not necessarily the link that you want to make sure that people get. You want to invite people to view you live on air. Okay, so now, so just so you'll know, if you want to invite people, you want to get this link, and that's going to bring them onto the your panel. Okay, now once I'm in here, if I want people to watch me on YouTube, the link that I'm going to give them is youtube.com/user/ whatever my channel name is. And I can give people that link, and then they will be able to watch me live on YouTube. What I can also do, of course, is I can take the live link and embed it into a web page, my WordPress blog, and I can actually have people watch me there. And the way that I'm going to do that, of course, is I'm going to go to my right-hand corner down here, and I'm going to click the links button. Okay, as soon as I do that, this is going to appear. This is the page. This is the actual YouTube page. right? Which I can also give people to watch me live on YouTube. Or I can take this URL and I can embed it into my WordPress site or any site, Blogger, my Blogger blog, or any other blog that takes HTML code. That is how I am going to invite people to the actual Hangout. Of course, what I can do is I can use special plugins. I can use various premium plugins that give you options such as opting people in. However, you can get people to your front page simply by giving them the video embed, putting it in your WordPress blog, giving them the YouTube page, or giving them your live page. You can do any or all of those options, and people will be able to watch you. The best of all worlds, of course, is to put your video embed onto a page or your live link onto a page where people will always know where to come at a certain time and place. Okay, so that is how you log in using YouTube. And what we're going to do next is we're going to enter into the Google Hangout, but we're going to come from the other direction from Google Plus. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.